Hey guys, are y'all still with me? By any chance? Not sure what happened there. My screen went black, and when it came back on, everything was froze up. Sorry about that. I will definitely get you guys both videos. If I can splice them together, I will. Very, 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 very sorry about that. Alright, let's get back to where we were. Drew Brees got the Saints. Very aggravating. Another Marshall Faulk rookie revision. And we got a team vision. Travis Kelce, Jamal Charles, Dontari Poe for the Chiefs. I like those team visions. Alright, box number 3, pack number 3. Every time I open a pack, wiggle that just to make sure it doesn't go to sleep again. Keenan Allen, Chargers. Kenny Bale, Buccaneers. And Josh Brown with the Cardinals. All right, pack number 4. Let me check my phone, guys. I think somebody might be texting me about this eBay problem that just happened. No, that's something else. Okay. Or not eBay problem, video problem. Sorry about that. Okay. Dan Marino, Dolphins. Bud Dupree, numbered card, blue, 68 out of 99. I think we had another 68 out of 99 earlier, didn't we? Bud Dupree, Steelers. And last up in this pack, Jerick McKinnon for the Vikings. All right, let's open another pack. This is going to be pack 5 for box 3. And this is Mark Ingram for the Saints. Marcus Peters for the Chiefs. And a rookie revision, Anquan Bolden for the Cardinals. All right, last pack in this break, guys. Sorry again for the losing the internet connection. Not sure what happened, other than we lost the internet connection. Joe Montana, 49ers. Off the bottom of the pile is C.J. Mosley for the Ravens. And last card in this first round of breaks is a John Elway for the Denver Broncos. And this thing is numbered 92 out of 99. John Elway, good looking card. Great guy. All right, guys, again, sorry about the internet stuff. Seems like something happens every week, but we just work through it and move on. I will get both links to these guys, of these videos, to everybody as quick as I can. Appreciate y'all joining me. Bid on the stuff we got coming up Sunday night, Monday night. We got some cool NASCAR stuff, and we got Super Bowl cards. Check out my other items.